Looks like it's drink time.
So we're gonna make red Akuma.
Red Akima.
Yeah, red devil in
Red
Japanese.
Devil.
We got some Japanese whiskey, agave nectar,
Okay.
and some blood orange.
Okay.
Secret weapon, Thai chili.
You're gonna do the chili.
Yes. So we're gonna cut those up. So we got those in there.
And that's a good eyeball. I like the eyeball. A little heavy with the wrist.
Yeah, I got kind of lost
It's
track
okay,
here.
buddy. The ice will melt. Don't worry about it.
We're gonna kind of equal part that.
Oh, sure we are. And then you're gonna shake it?
Yep. Let's see how well I do.
Oh yeah, that looks good.
See how my bartending skills are. It's been a while.
All right, let's try it out. Woo, that's got a bite, man. Good stuff.
All right.
That's awesome. Yeah, I taste the citrus. Definitely has a kick to it. Hot damn.
Hot damn.
Hot damn! Hey, thanks for watching. You want to see more cool videos like this one on Dad's That Cook? Make sure you subscribe. You want to win some really cool stuff? Subscribe. You want to get notified? Make sure you know what's going on? Subscribe.